Hi, and welcome to the Hauslane channel. I'm Marco, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our premium model. It's the 30-inch UC-PS38. This is an under-cabinet range hood packed with all the functionality you need in your kitchen. It's high-performance range hoods that will transform your cooking experience, and it's relatively easy to install, even more than other types of kitchen hoods. In today's video, I will unpack the PS38, and I will show you some of its features. Let's open the box. So let's talk about other features of your hood. It has a very modern, clean design with a touchscreen panel, and it's a full stainless steel body. In addition, we have these LED lights. It comes standard with these warm lights, but what you can do, because it's a GU10, you can go to your hardware store and buy any lighting that matches the mood of your kitchen. All right, let's talk about some of these accessories. We have this water tray for the steam cleaning. Then we have this template that you do use during installation. And finally, in this bag, we have the 6-inch circular adapter, along with this aluminum tape, which actually is really helpful because it doesn't have to make you go to the store, the convenience store or the hardware store, and buy a whole roll. And then we have this fiber cloth that allows you to clean and wipe it, make sure that it's good after you're done with installation. And in addition, you continually use this whenever there's any smudges on your hood. And lastly, we have our instruction manual. Another feature about your hood, it's very low maintenance. The unit body and screen require only wiping down to get clean. Really easy. In addition, you can remove this panel. But remember, before removing the panel, you've got to take the tape off. It comes off, and you wipe it down. Now let's talk about one of the main features of your range hood. Typically when we cook, we tend to use the 2 front burners. The cooking fume rises and usually land in the lighting area. And also then they escape into the kitchen. This will not happen with their UC-PS38 because of the unique perimeter suction design. The range hood features a panel that creates a gap around the range hood to suck out all the cooking fumes.